Hi all, it's Mike German here from Visual Animation. Long time no speak, sorry about that. It's been 90 days or more because YouTube's actually let me know. Oh, this sun, this is nearly 7:45 in the morning in the UK. And I thought, what a great time to do a video. Just get out there while it's still sunny. It's going to rain again soon, so this is probably the last sunny day. Anyway, I digress. It's only because I can't see, and I want to show you how lovely this country can be sometimes. Yeah, still walking the dog. There he is. There's Howie. Say hello. And anyway, this video, it's been over 90 days. YouTube have actually sent me a message saying that you'll no longer qualify for monetization unless you post another one. Now, I'm not ready to post a tutorial right now because I've been working on a project called Just a Dad. Now, this is a character animation, the sort of stuff I really enjoy. There's a link below, I think, to Just a Dad. I'm just having a bit of a laugh, really, just coming up with all these characters, situations they're in. Now, if there's anything in that channel that you would like to see a tutorial made of, give me a suggestion on this video below in the comments, and I will look at that. You know, rigging, bringing Mixamo kind of stuff into the scenes, and then the other tutorials in the future will be when Cinema 4D release probably their 0.3. There's their 2023.2 or point, yeah. So Cinema 2023.3. This numbering system is getting really hard, isn't it? But yeah, when they do a major new update, I think that's the time, and hopefully it's going to be liquid and stuff like that. So we're going to be really busy into kind of autumn and into winter, doing lots and lots of new tutorials for you. So yeah, haven't gone away. The channel's still growing, still getting subscribers. I just want them to start paying me. That would be really nice. So yeah, check out Just a Dad. See if there's anything on there that you want me to do. I will post it as a tutorial in the meantime. Dog's pulling me. He seems to be going into the field. Where are you going, boy? Anything in there? So I'm probably going to get dragged into there in a second. So anyway, I'll speak to you real soon. My name's Mike German from Visual Animation. Enjoying this lovely sunny morning. Take care. Goodbye for now.